Now what's crazy is there ain't a thing wrong with these shoes, but they won't stop nothing. That? Oh, perfect. Heck yeah. It worked. There was a guy that worked for Dodge, and a friend of mine hired him. He started his own shop back in the early 2000s, and he hired that guy, and that guy wouldn't put a wrench on nothing without a wiggler. And I watched him work, man, and I was like, no wonder he uses them things. You ain't never gotta, you know, you get in there with it. Oh yeah. Clean this surface good here, get the dirt off. If I'm not mistaken, this has been redesigned here to fit this little raised part so that it'll be centered. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right. It has those nuts, you know, that are knurled and they hold themselves. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Alright, let's see if we can get this stuff off of here. A little Carter key back here, I think. Ain't much match for these little Nipex though. Put this back in here. So and long spacer on the outside. To me, that's what it looks like. There we go. Oops. Okay. Let's get our clamshell on. Washer nut. Leave that loose for later. Alright, let's squeeze this clamp down a little. Oh yeah. That's good where it needs to be. Yeah. I'll turn her down now. Yeah, I'm plenty warm. Alright, that thing's probably about, I want to try to get this turnbuckle in the center. Let's see how long this thing is. Yeah, if we do it like that, that'll be plenty of adjustment, I think. When you get to a stopping point, I want you to look at this and tell me what you think. Alright, so I got this about halfway adjusted, and that locates it about right there. Does that look, it looks like it's pretty good in line, don't it? And that's all the way to the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let that come down just a swig maybe.
You might want to set on it and see what it feels like.
Well, it comes against that stop, and that's how it was. I think as long, don't you think, as long as that throws pretty close to, because it's got a ball in there.
Can you so you're at the stop, do you want to put that in the center of that?
Well, it can't.
Oh, okay.
See,
I got you.
see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna drill it right there.
Yep.
Oh, look at there, Cody. We got brakes, brother. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, let's put the car key in there. Alright, got the chain adjusted up and tight. Bradley supplies us with a zip tie for this brake line here. That's perfectly okay.
For copper, it gets pretty tacky pretty quick on it.
Oh yeah. It's good stuff. It wants to go up, don't it? Yeah. Look at that headlight, dude. That's looking right, ain't it? Right up, did it? Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it stops good. I'm gonna film it a little bit. Man, that thing looks good, dude. Put a bonus special for the channel right there. All the little knickknacks, like this thing here, is that a whole billet assembly?
What?
This is nice, man. Cody ain't sparing no change on this unit. I like it. All right, let's take it for a little ride here right quick. I don't have my helmet with me, but we'll be careful.